It's my honor to introduce today's chief guest, Dr. Manzoor Hussain, a PhD in mechanical engineering from JNTUH, Hyderabad, and a receiver from Best Teacher Award by Telangana State Government in 2017. Sir has 28 years of experience, academic experience, not just in India but also in abroad. He is the founder and principal of JNTUH College of Engineering, Sultanpur. He has guided thousands of students towards success by being a motivational teacher, founder principal, a research guide, and PhD supervisor. He has published many journals in national and international conference and also published many books. I welcome Dr. Manzoor Hussain sir to hand over the mic and share with his knowledge and experience.
Good morning to all of you. Before I start, I'm not going to repeat what previous speakers they told, but I'm going to remind you that whatever they told, everything is a fact. Please remember, all the previous speakers, they have given a very good inputs. Please remember all these inputs. So respected chairman of this college and all the guests on the dais, dignitaries on the dais, head of the departments, faculty, and newly admitted students and their parents. At the outset, let me congratulate all the students for taking this engineering as your career, and also I congratulate all your parents, entire family, for your successful admission into engineering college. First point is, now whatever the branch you have selected, it may be computer science, it may be computer science DS or AML or whatever it may be, or mechanical civil, that is your branch now. Don't change the branch now. Whatever admission you got, that is your branch and you are interested in that branch. And whatever college you have selected is your college. For lifelong, Narsimha Reddy College of Engineering is your college. Remember that college. So now you have settled, whatever the branch you have selected, whatever the college you have selected are final for you, and you have selected the excellent branch and you have selected the excellent college. So all the parents, really you have done a good thing by taking admission into engineering. So I'm not going to say something you read more or you do like that, but I'm going to tell you what are the new opportunities in education, particularly in engineering. From JNTUH, this college is affiliated, and this college is doing extremely good. They have very good infrastructure, they have very good staff, all the programs they have designed, and they got the autonomous status recently. So I'll assure you that you are in a good place now. Now coming to place is same. You have so many students. Whenever I go to class, generally I'll tell in the class, when I'm teaching in a class of 60 students, all 60 students are listening to my lecture without any abstraction. I'm not asking some students to close their ears, but some students, they do extremely good in examination, some students they may not do. The difference is because your presence of mind. Now what I'm trying to tell all the students, please make use of the facilities available, interact with the faculty. Maybe up to intermediate you may be having a fear of talking to your teachers, but now in engineering, because it's a professional courses, now you are free to speak to your teachers. Please interact with your teachers, clarify your doubts, ask them. For next 4 years, this college, these 4 walls, all the faculty here are going to help you, guide you. After 4 years, nobody is going to guide you. Please make use of the facilities. Please make use of the faculty and principal and dean and everybody, those who are guiding you in your career, in your subject. Take their help. Understand the things. You have everything here, but only thing is how much you are going to make use of it is your capacity. So what you need is interest, and you have to spend the time with your faculty. The first one. Second important aspect presently we have in our education system is a flexibility is there. Maybe after few years, you can design your own degree, what you want to do. Even now, a student who has taken mechanical engineering can have a computer science degree by the time he has completed his 4 years. Presently, the credits for the students for BTech is reduced to 160 credits. There is a lot of time is there for you to take other programs which are connected with the skill development programs, or you can take some other subjects and you can earn some credits. All the first year students, if you have a time, even you can do the second degree here itself. You have joined in a mechanical engineering or computer science. Suppose you want to have one more degree in BBA, Bachelor of Business Management, we are offering. You can register for that degree. By the time you have completed 4 years, you can go out of this college with 2 degrees, both, that is a BTech as well as BBA. That is left to you. Provided if you have that much of time, you have to design your time, you have to spare your time for both. There are some students, they are brilliant, they can design they can make use of their time effectively. Yes, they can do. It is not a big thing. So how this is happening means, the BBA degree timetable is set such that you will have a classes weekly 3 days evening. You can sit at home, you can just in your mobile and your computer, laptop, you can attend the classes. Saturday you can attend in your college itself a laboratory or the theory class. By the time you have completed 3 years, then you will be getting a BBA degree. This is one program. What I am trying to tell, now the government UGC is permitting you to do 2 degrees simultaneously. ఒకేసారి 2 ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ మీరు 2 డిగ్రీలు మీరు తీసుకోవచ్చు. ఒక డిగ్రీ బీటెక్, ఇంకొక డిగ్రీ అనదర్ బీటెక్, ఆర్ యూ కెన్ టేక్ అనదర్ BBA degree what we have designed. Second, at the end of 4th year or 2nd year, if you feel that I have taken a branch in mechanical engineering, but I need some specialization in computer science so that I'll get better job. So we have a program, minor program is there. If you register for another 4 or 5 subjects extra, then you will get BTech in mechanical engineering with specialization in computer science. So those who are having of interest doing some extra work by scoring some subjects, that is marks in some subjects, you can have that degree. Suppose if you take a cyber security, a computer science student may have specialization in cyber security. He will do his computer science as it is, but he will attend another 4 courses extra, maybe in 3rd year or 4th year. Then he will get a degree in BTech computer science with specialization in cyber security or specialization in artificial intelligence and machine learning. So like that, there are minor streams we have designed. So after completion of your 2nd year or in the 2nd year 1st semester, you can start taking these subjects. The information will be provided by your head of the departments, your faculty, and you can register for that. One more important change is honors degree. For example, if you take advanced courses in BTech mechanical itself or advanced courses in BTech computer science itself, then you will be getting a honors degree. If you have a honors degree, you will be taking the admission into PhD or MTech with a directly without having MTech. That is a MTech you can do in 1 year, or PhD you can join for your research. So that is another program we have designed. It is also there. You will get all the details when you interact with your faculty. One more important aspect is for the students, those who are having a practical training. At the end of 2nd year and at the end of 3rd year, you can have a break of 1 year, go for training, go for a company, work there, earn money, take the salary, come back and continue your education. So these are the different facilities are provided now. These are all approved by the government, by the UGC, by the university, and these facilities are already we have started last year. But many students, they don't know. I thought this is a very good platform for me to share these things, and all the details you can have from your principal, or you can have these things, more information from your faculty or the head of the departments when you start attending your college. So now the education system is changing. You know, online education, we have a lot of resources. Attending class itself is not enough. You have a lot of resources. Online resources are there. Make use of the resources. You can have the best lectures, best speakers are there. You listen to these lectures and you can improve on that particular subject. You can have a lot of information. So now the learning, you have so many opportunities. When we were students, to draw a gearbox, I have to assume what is there inside. Already a lot of creative things are required for us to make the drawings. But now on the screen you can see how the gearbox is assembled with different colors. Easily I can analyze how many gears are there, how the gears are fixed, how that assembly has happened. So now education has become very simple. The only thing is you have to make use of the facilities. What facilities required, where it is available, which software I have to use or which resource I have to use. Please take the advice from your faculty and make use of these things. I think once again let me congratulate. Probably I did not repeat what previous speakers said. I have given something different because already a lot of time we have taken, and I wish all the students all the best for next 4 years. Everybody should take your degree in 4 years, not beyond 4 years. So that one you make a note, and as previously our Rupesh IPS officer, what he said, the discipline does not mean that sitting in a upright direction and without talking, that is not the discipline. Discipline means what work you are doing, do it sincerely. That is what discipline is required. So with these few words, I thank the management and the faculty for giving me this opportunity. Once again, I thank and congratulate everybody for attending this program. Thank you. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, sir, for your motivational words.